Crikey me kid, that looks seriously tight down there.
Morning YouTubers. What are we saying? Well, if you watched yesterday's vlog, thank you very much. We got up as far, well, we had a change of plan on yesterday's vlog, so originally we was going to Telford and then it got changed to Oldham, and I got up as far as Crewe truck stop, so I've got about 50 miles left. I'm not going to bother getting any road footage on the way there because the roads are shit, it's dark, probably going to be hardly anybody on the road. More or less fine. Oh, so I'm just going to drink a cup of tea. Vehicle checks are done. Everything's spick, span, everything's right. Shining, yeah, so I'm finding it a little bit hard to wake up this morning properly, so might be some of the rude bastards on here that run their engines at 2 o'clock in the morning for no reason. But oh well. That's better. YouTubers. Right. So I've pulled up at my collection point. There's somebody already here being loaded. Bastards. Getting it. Put some nails under his toes. No, I'm only joking. It's alright. So I've got about an half an hour, 45-minute wait. This is the point where you put it on POA, not brake. Right, POA stands for? Anybody? Period of availability. So, if you was on brake, you'd have to wait the full 45 minutes, although I'll wait for 46. Before you could do anything, otherwise you're just wasting time. Whereas if you're on POA, it won't, if you stop before 45 minutes, it won't put it on there, but they can see, if the needs to be right, they can see that you was on a break while you was waiting, if that makes sense. Yeah, it doesn't, does it? But definitely, anyway. Yep, so, bit of a wait. Make a cup of tea. I was going to do a video on how to make a cup of tea because that's one of the videos I've got to do. But well, turn these off. On blue, obidi, obida, obidi, obida, obidi, obida, on blue. Yeah, can't see anything, can we? It's not really bright enough to do a quality video, so. Afraid it's just a little bit of a waiting game. I had a chicken curry for my tea last night out the freezer in the truck. It's not agreeing with me this morning. I knew I should have put the toilet roll in the fridge last night. I've been doing some sweating this morning. Anyway, catch you all in a bit. It's cold outside. Just done my collection in Oldham. Tip for you, your body's working extra hard to keep warm and do the graft that you're doing. So make sure you drink shitloads of water. Because you can still dehydrate in the cold. Knackered. So cold. Ryan? One more thing, keep your head warm and your ears, that's where your body lives. Yes. Dr. Mark, Black Country Truck Route. I'm still freezing. Really weak. And as you can see,
YouTubers! Fuck me, it's back to the 70s. Black and white. Woo! Out of Tipton, on the way to Ross-on-Wye. Quality. What an absolute cold day it is. I am freezing. Literally freezing. Shocking. Absolutely shockingly cold. Not much footage today really for the vlog. I haven't really done anything. I drove from Crewe to Oldham, Oldham to Tipton. It's one of them days. Boring vlog. I did put a cup of tea advert. I did put a cup of tea tutorial video up earlier on. I hope you all enjoyed that. So whenever you see me and you ask me if I want a brew, make sure you make it to those standards, because if you don't, I'll throw it at you. And the cup or the mug, depending on how common you are. So yeah, that's basically today. Woman had more things in her windscreen than I have. When I'm in an Arctic, work that one out. Right then, see you in a bit. Well, the Ross-on-Wye job. Tight isn't the word. If he expects me to get in there, I don't know how that's going to happen. Absolutely crazy. Crazy. I've just changed the shape of about 3, 4, maybe 7 bushes. Anybody comes around that corner, they're going to see me. Crazy. Back in a bit. Poor truck is getting battered. It's getting battered. The roof's going to look like the bottom of a wheelbarrow. Hello? Mate, you can just stay there. Yep, I'm just about to get onto the 4221, which is the road that leads over the top of the motorway. You're in a silver Amarok. Okay, matey. Yes, mate, no problem at all. I'll see you shortly. Bye bye. Oh my dear Lord, mate. This frigging Ross on War job, horrendous isn't the word. Now I've found it, the problem I've had, the postcode that I got given, that I double checked with the customer, he said was the right one, was the other side of the motorway, and the sat nav has took me down these country lanes that we were struggling a van. And when I say top, well, I've got it all on video, mate. No, the postcode led me in the wrong. The postcode must have been the wrong one. Fuck knows. All I know is probably a couple of minutes. Oh mate, it's crazy. But I ain't getting to you tonight now, not a chance. I've ripped the front cover off my air horn on the driver's side from a tree. I've probably got more dents in the roof than a fucking wheelbarrow. And if I tell you what, I bet I won't be surprised if the trailer's in a million pieces. Well, when I ring the customer, I always say, have I got the right address? Have you got access for an Arctic? Have you got a forklift? Well, they should do, mate, but they don't. No, fuck. Right. So I don't want to go down the M50 again, because I'll have to go through all that fucking rigmarole again, which is a nightmare, in the dark, pitch black. No, pal. Let me speak to you in a bit because I'm about to find this customer now and rip his arse out. Alright mate, ta. Right, okie dokie. It's all that stuff on the back end, it's not on pallets, mate. That type of thing doesn't come on pallets. It's about, depending on the size of the forklift, if it's a couple of ton forklift like most standard ones you're probably talking about 4, 5, 6 lifts. Alright, telehandler, yeah, it'll be about 6 lifts. Okay. Definitely. Yeah. I'll tell you what we can do. If I can pull up here, where I am at the moment, without ripping anything else off the truck, and as long as cars can get past me, we'll have it off there. Well, that was great fun. Not. What an absolute nightmare that was. And I'm still not out of the woods yet. Literally out of the woods. So, we're now going down to Bristol again. Road cam is on. I have missed the most hardest part of this journey. What a nightmare this is. There's cars, trucks everywhere. Right, I think we'll call that's it for the vlog today. Black Country Trucker out. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.